Hello guys and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you step by step how to make Uber Eats driver account in Australia. So if you are in Australia and if you want to apply on Uber Eats, I will show you step by step what you should do. First of all, you need to go to this link. The link will be in the description, guys, or in the comment section. You need to click this link and go to this page. And the first thing you need to do is you need to sign up on Uber. And once you will sign up, you need to log into your account and then you can start completing the other steps, guys. So let's have a look on the steps. So if you want to start with your bicycle, you need to come here and watch these necessary steps you need to first of all, you need to apply for a background check, and this could take up to 14 business days. So they will check if you are eligible to start working on Uber Eats. The next step is bicycle safety test. So you need to answer the questions. First of all, you need to select your area in Australia and you need to complete this bicycle safety test, guys. Once you're done, then you can go to the third step, which is complete your profile. So you need to be at least 18 years old. So you need to complete your profile. And the next step is food safety modules. So if you're new in delivery industry, you will get some extra educational information, guys. So these are the 4 necessary steps, and the next thing is the documents, guys. So if you want to apply with your bicycle, they are requiring passport or a birth certificate, also your secondary ID, guys. So these are the steps you need to complete to start working with your bicycle. But if you want to start with your scooter or motorbike or car, guys, you need to complete these steps. Some of them are same. For example, first of all, you need to go through background check. I already told you. The next step is complete your profile. The next one is check out delivery basics. So you will get some information about the delivery basics and food safety modules, guys. Also, this is the same, but they are requiring you to send your driver list license, guys. The front page and the back page of your driver's license. Also, they need your passport and insurance, guys. So you need to have these documents and you will be eligible to start working with your car, scooter or motorbike, guys. And also there's an extra information about overseas driver license in Australia. You can read about this, guys, if you have got the overseas driver license. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.